Managing SQL Server databases and encountered CKP files. These are checkpoint files used in database transaction management. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these SQL Server checkpoint files work. If you frequently deal with unusual CKP file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. CKP files are checkpoint files used by Microsoft SQL Server during database transaction management. They store transaction log checkpoints, enabling efficient recovery operations by marking points where dirty data pages have been written to disk, reducing recovery time after server failures or restarts. CKP files use SQL Server's internal binary format, storing checkpoint metadata, including LSN log sequence numbers, transaction, state information, and database recovery points. The structure follows SQL Server's transaction logging specification, enabling proper crash recovery and database integrity maintenance. This CKP file is designed specifically for the developer tool Microsoft SQL Server by Microsoft Corporation. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows does not support opening relational data natively, so full access must occur in database software. Open the menu by right-clicking your CKP file and choosing Open With. Test Microsoft SQL Server if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the CKP file differently. If the CKP file won't budge, stay calm. The nature of the CKP format makes basic errors common if one detail is missed. Let's verify these key points right now before proceeding to the fix. First, understanding the files. CKP files are managed automatically by SQL Server and should not be modified directly by users. They are part of the database recovery infrastructure, ensuring transaction integrity. The SQL Server engine creates, uses, and maintains these files transparently during normal database operations. Next, avoiding direct access. Do not delete, edit, or move CKP files manually, as this can cause database corruption and recovery failures. SQL Server requires precise control over checkpoint files for proper transaction log management. Always use SQL Server tools and commands for any checkpoint-related operations. Finally, using SQL Server tools. For database administration use, SQL Server Management Studio, SMS, or TSQL commands, like checkpoint to manage checkpoint operations. The dbcc checkdb command verifies database integrity, including checkpoint file consistency. These tools provide proper interfaces for checkpoint-related administration. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.